reload line in seconds with the unique Speed Feed trimmer head. The Speed Feed head can be reloaded without disassembly in 30 seconds or less. With Speed Feed, there's no need to press in stiff tabs or unlock covers just to reload line. You simply align the arrow on the knob with the eyelet. Then feed approximately 20 feet of trimmer line through the eyelet. Be sure to line up the two lengths to ensure an even feed. The line loads by simply turning the large knob on top of the trimmer head. It's that simple. The revolutionary Speed Feed trimmer head is the fastest loading bump-to-advance trimmer head on the market. Speed Feed is perfectly balanced for vibration-free operation. Its smooth cover design glides while trimming. Speed Feed fits most straight shaft trimmers and brush cutters manufactured by the biggest names in the industry, including Echo and Shindaiwa. The Speed Feed trimmer head will increase your productivity from day one. It's available at thousands of outdoor power equipment retailers nationwide.